In this guide, I'll show you how to clear RAM cache on Windows 11. First, you need to go and open your browser. Now type RAM map and hit enter. Open the first official website of Microsoft, and then you need to download this utility software by clicking on this download option. We are going to use this application to clear the RAM cache. Now here is our downloaded file, just extract it. Now open the folder and run this RAM map executable. Agree to the terms, and it will start loading. After it completes loading, go and open your task manager. Select the Performance tab and choose Memory. You can see I have 15.7 gigabytes of cached memory. Now in RAM map, open the Empty menu, and just select the Empty Standby List option. Now, when we come into the task manager, the cached memory has been cleared. It is a pretty useful app, and that's it.